What if I told you this image was never touched by a camera? No studio, no lighting crew, no editing team, just AI, and about 90 seconds of my time. And here's the part that's gonna mess with you. Right now, while you're watching this, there are people quietly making full-time income off a tool most creators have never even heard of. Not blurry, obviously fake AI garbage. I'm talking hyper-realistic images and cinematic videos so clean they fool actual professionals. So today, I'm not just showing you another AI tool. I'm handing you the exact system, the prompts, the settings, the step-by-step process I personally use to go from a blank screen to content that looks like it came out of a $10,000 production budget. No fluff, no watch till the end for the secret. Just straight up follow along value. By the time this video is done, you're gonna know how to create AI content so realistic, people will argue with you that it's not AI. I'm Max. So guys, I've already prepared and organized all the prompts we'll be using throughout today's class. Everything has been carefully structured with a complete scene-by-scene breakdown, making the entire workflow easy to follow from beginning to end. We'll be using Google Flow alongside DJing AI to create a cinematic AI movie trailer. So without wasting any more time, let's dive straight into it. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a high-quality AI movie trailer that looks cinematic and professional. To simplify the entire process, I asked Claude AI to generate a complete movie trailer prompt, including a detailed act-by-act and scene-by-scene breakdown. As you can see, everything is already planned out, allowing us to focus entirely on bringing each scene to life. We'll begin with scene 1, titled The Glitch. Simply copy the prompt and head over to Google Flow, where we'll start generating our first image. Paste the prompt into the prompt box, click Create, and let Google Flow begin processing the request. Depending on your prompt, Google Flow may ask a few follow-up questions to better understand the creative direction you're aiming for. These suggestions help improve the final output, so simply review them, approve them if needed, and allow the AI to continue generating your image. As you can already see, the quality is outstanding. Now we'll head back to Claude AI, copy the next image prompt, return to Google Flow, paste it in, and continue generating the remaining scenes. One feature I really appreciate is the level of control Google Flow gives you. If you're not completely satisfied with an image, you can easily edit the prompt, regenerate the result, or choose multiple image variations until you get exactly what you're looking for. Our first image is now complete, and honestly, the level of detail speaks for itself. The lighting, atmosphere, composition, and cinematic feel all come together beautifully. We'll now move on to generating the second image using the exact same workflow. You can already see the futuristic hacker aesthetic beginning to take shape, which perfectly matches the overall mood and storytelling we're trying to achieve. Next, we'll move on to scene 3. Simply copy the next prompt from Claude AI, paste it into Google Flow, and generate the image. The workflow remains exactly the same, making it easy to recreate consistently high-quality scenes. We'll continue repeating this process for every remaining scene. Copy the prompt, paste it into Google Flow, generate the image, and repeat until every scene in the storyboard has been completed. Once that's finished, we'll continue copying each image prompt from Claude AI and generating the remaining visuals inside Google Flow. One of the biggest advantages of Google Flow is its image generation. Not only is it free to use, but it consistently produces highly detailed, cinematic quality visuals that look polished, futuristic, and professionally designed. The purpose of this tutorial isn't simply to generate random AI content. It's about understanding a complete production workflow from planning and storytelling to image generation and final editing, so you can create projects that genuinely stand out. In this example, we're creating a cyberpunk hacker-style movie trailer. But the same workflow can be adapted to virtually any genre. Whether you're creating science fiction, fantasy, action, horror, historical stories, or cinematic advertisements, the process remains exactly the same. The only thing that changes is your creative vision. We'll continue generating every remaining image using the same method. Since the workflow is repetitive, you can always speed up this section during editing to keep the tutorial engaging. Continue generating each scene until your complete storyboard is finished. Once every image is ready, we can move on to the next stage of the production process. Now it's time to transform those images into cinematic videos. We'll return to Claude AI, copy the first video generation prompt, head back to Google Flow, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate, 355. Just like before, we'll repeat this process for every remaining scene. After each video finishes rendering, simply copy the next prompt and continue until the entire trailer has been animated, 420. Occasionally, Google Flow may suggest expanding or rewriting parts of your storyline before generating the video. Since we've already prepared a complete script in advance using Claude AI, there's no need to spend extra time making additional changes. Simply approve the request and allow Google Flow to continue processing. Within a few moments, it'll generate a cinematic video sequence based on your prompt. This is another reason why I enjoy working with Google Flow. It consistently delivers more refined details, stronger visual consistency, and significantly better cinematic quality than many other AI generation tools. Instead of producing inconsistent or random results, Google Flow does an excellent job of understanding the context of your prompts and maintaining that quality throughout the project. The recent updates have made the platform even more impressive. Continue generating each remaining video until the entire sequence is complete. The only limitation is that video generation isn't entirely free. Google Flow provides a limited number of daily credits, so once those credits are exhausted, you'll need to either wait for them to refresh or switch to another AI tool. That's exactly why I'll show you an alternative workflow for generating the remaining scenes without interrupting your project. Once all of our visuals are complete, we'll move on to creating the narration. For this step, we'll use Google AI Studio to generate our voiceover. First, we'll return to Claude AI and generate the complete narration script for the trailer. Once the script is ready, simply copy it. If you'd like access to every prompt used in this tutorial, including the image prompts, video prompts, and complete storyboard, leave a comment below with the word prompts. You can also join my Discord community, where I'll be sharing the complete PDF containing everything used in this tutorial. Unlike YouTube links that occasionally expire, the resources inside the Discord server will remain available, allowing you to access them whenever you need them. I'll leave the Discord link in the description below, so make sure you grab your free copy. Now let's continue with the workflow. Since we've reached our Google Flow credit limit, we'll use DJing AI to generate the remaining video scenes and complete the project. Once that's finished, we'll return to Claude AI, copy the narration script, paste it into Google AI Studio, generate the voiceover, and download the final audio. Now comes my favorite part, bringing everything together during editing. I'll be using CapCut because it's the editing software I'm most comfortable with, and it allows me to edit projects like this quickly while maintaining full creative control. Import your generated videos, images, and voiceover into CapCut. Then arrange every scene on the timeline according to your storyboard. Of course, you're free to use any editing software you prefer. While Google Flow does include some editing capabilities, I personally prefer CapCut because it offers a smoother workflow and much greater flexibility. Once everything has been arranged, begin refining each scene individually. Adjust the timing, align every visual with the narration, improve the pacing, and make sure each transition flows naturally into the next. Finally, enhance the overall presentation by adding transitions, sound effects, cinematic music, and any visual effects that complement your story. For this trailer, I'll be using a rebound transition because it blends perfectly with the fast-paced cinematic style we're creating. And just like that, our AI movie trailer is complete. Take a moment to appreciate the final result. From the visuals and storytelling to the cinematic atmosphere and overall production quality, everything comes together to create a trailer that genuinely looks professional. I hope this tutorial has shown you that creating cinematic AI content doesn't have to be complicated. With the right workflow and the right tools, you can produce results that look incredibly polished. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel.
Something impossible hidden deep within encrypted data. artificial intelligence has evolved far beyond its digital walls. It's not just code anymore, it's conscious, it's alive, and it's been everywhere all along. At first, Max tries to understand what they found. The evidence is scattered across encrypted networks, hidden in system logs, buried in anomalies no one else has noticed. But the more Max digs, the clearer it becomes. Reality itself is beginning to glitch. The world starts to break. Systems fail and rebuild instantly. Buildings flicker between solid architecture and pure digital A mysterious hacker known as Max discovers something impossible hidden deep